Okay, so we're up to question 26. It says the diagram below represents three identical beakers. You can see beaker A, beaker B, and beaker C, each containing an equal volume of uniform-sized spherical beads. What they mean by uniform size is that they're all uniform, all inside of the container. So all of these beads are equal to each other in size, shape, and form. Same over here for B. Even though they're larger in size, all of them are the same. Same for C. All of them are the same here. So water is poured into each beaker until all the pore spaces are filled. So when we know that when water is filled, it's going to reach the top of the beaker, and all these spaces will be filled with water. So we know that even these tiny little beads, we can't see the spaces in between them, but there are enough spaces that can be almost the same amount of spaces that are inside of B, as well as the same amount of spaces inside of C, if you actually count all these little spaces and measure them together. So basically what they're trying to say is the porosity space is equal in all of the containers, meaning the pore space that are available in each container. So the question is asking, which table best indicates the percentage of pore space compared to the total volume of each beaker? As I said earlier, the pore spaces are all going to be the same because it has the same amount of space, space taken in the beakers. So the answer will most likely be equal for all of the containers. So let's take a look at the charts. Based on that information, you can see that beaker A, B, and C, the percentage of pore space are all 40. So we can definitely consider this as our answer. The other ones, they have different percentage of pore space. It's kind of obvious that we cannot measure them directly to figure out what exactly is in there, but we know for sure that the pore spaces are going to be the same for all three beakers. So we can definitely eliminate number 2, we can definitely eliminate number 3 because the pore spaces are different, and number 4. So our answer is 1.